All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you the safest possible way to remove the emblems and debadge the vehicle. Any vehicle, whether you just want to take it off and leave it a nice clean look, or if you're going to be doing any work to it where you need to remove the emblems. On this Maserati Ghibli, I'm actually going to be wrapping it. So I need to get all the emblems off. So some of these are a little bit tricky. Just because there's some smaller pieces to them, so you want to be super careful with that. And then additionally, this is a nice car, you don't want to scratch it. So a lot of people will go into it with a credit card or floss or fishing line, and that's great. All those solutions will work. However, you run the risk of scratching the car. So what we do actually is, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the cabinet right now. This is the secret here, guys, wax thread. So it's just a piece of thread and it is coated in a layer of wax. So it slides really nicely against the paint, doesn't scratch it, doesn't cause any harm, and does a great job of removing the emblem. So we're gonna go ahead and do some of them now and we'll show you. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this emblem. As you can see, there's some dust and little things around it. So I'm actually gonna clean that off using a microfiber towel first, just so that we're not rubbing straight across on that. So I'm just using a nice plush microfiber towel, just lightly dust it away. All good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my wax thread, take a nice little bit of it so that I can get a good grip on both sides to work it. I'm just gonna cut off a little section here. All right, so I got my thread. And now I'm gonna start from this angle here. Obviously I do wanna be super careful because this is one small little edge and I don't want to break that. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in anymore. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start just getting a good grip on the thread, working it behind the first panel, and just getting it started is the hardest part. So there we go, I got it right behind it, and now I just go back and forth and back and forth. As you can already see, some of the adhesive from the emblem is coming out of there. So again, we're just working it slowly all the way across. Again, we're getting to another kind of portion in the emblem here, so we just got to make sure we get behind that and we're not causing any tension because we don't want to damage this emblem. So here we go, guys, and again, you kind of want to just work with how the adhesive is breaking down behind it. So this bottom piece is coming out a lot faster, so I'm going to continue to work it this way, and then I'll probably pull and start going up. But I want to create the least amount of resistance on the actual emblem itself so that I don't run the risk. See, I'm actually changing my course of plan right now and coming back over the top. But yeah, you just want to work it slowly and gently so you don't run the risk of damaging the emblem or the paint on the car. And we're just about through here. And there we go. So it is off. Just dust this down real quick. Zero scratching on the paint. Now we just have a little bit of residue left over. We'll use some Goo Gone or something on that to get that off. But that is it, guys. Super easy way to remove your emblems using wax thread. I'm gonna go ahead and link this down in the description for you guys so you can get it and get your badges off of the vehicle super easy. We're gonna go ahead and work the other ones around the vehicle and we'll show you that as well. Now, this is one of those things, guys, I feel like a lot of people are afraid to do it, and my hope is that watching this video, you guys can get some confidence and realize that it's really not difficult. Again, this one's got a lot of little kind of smaller pieces going off that could break, so I just want to be careful on it. But let's go ahead and get right behind it. Make sure that the thread is nice and flush and getting behind all those pieces. And it comes super easily if you just take your time and just kind of make sure you're going through the right motions and staying behind the emblem. There we go. just onto this last one. Go ahead and do this real quick, and then I'll be able to get the adhesive removed and start wrapping this car. Got it. All done. All right, so I hope that helps you guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and douse this with a little bit of Goo Gone, rub it out with a microfiber towel, or even better yet, I'm gonna show you, I'll link it down below. I don't have one in the shop right now, but there's actually a little rubber disc that you can put on a drill or some other, it's just an attachment piece, and you can come across with that little piece and it'll take all this off really easily. So I'll link that down below in the description as well. I hope that helps you guys. Stay tuned for more content. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys on the next one.